So it is now 10:50 p.m. and I am currently on my way to work. I took me a good nap and I actually am coming down with a cold, so yeah, story of my life. It's gonna take me about 25 minutes to get to work. I actually need to get something to eat because I didn't eat before I left the house because I was sleeping. Yeah. So that's all for now. I don't have my phone out, so I can't really talk for a long time. But yeah, I don't know what I should eat though. I don't want to eat nothing too heavy because it's so late at night. I should get to work by like 11:15. Mind you, I don't clock in till 11:55. So I'm really tired, y'all, and I feel like shit. But I'll be back with you all probably when I reach work. So yeah. So I'm at work now. It is 11:15. I left my house at like 10:50, so that took me 25 minutes plus going to get me some food. I ended up getting me Wendy's, the 4 for $4 with a strawberry lemonade. So I'm just about to eat that and sit in my car for a bit until it's time for me to clock in. I feel like complete and utter shit. I'm sorry about the lighting, but yeah, I'm in my car. So that's just what I'm about to do now. Yeah. I'm not sure when next time I'll come back on camera. So hopefully my shift goes by pretty fast. I'm just so tired right now. So yeah, while y'all sleeping, I'm at work. But you know, gotta get to the bag. See you when y'all see ya. So now I'm off and I'm gonna head to the gym. Probably not. Feeling bad, but I'm off though, which is a plus. It's gonna take me about it's traffic, so it's gonna take me about 30 minutes to get home. Yeah. I'm gonna start driving now. I don't have my mount, so I'll be back with this girl. So yeah, I just saw like almost an accident happen. So I'll be back with you in about 30 minutes. And look who greets me.
Oh, you showing everything up, child? You didn't tell me you were streaming.
So today is Wednesday and my video has gone up. I think I'm gonna start changing. I'm gonna change the my face strong. I think I'm gonna change the upload time for my videos for the simple fact that because I am still a new YouTuber, I still have to promote my videos with, you know, to get views. Check out my puff though, y'all. Check out my puff. Check out my butt. But yeah, because I am still a small YouTuber, I still have to promote my videos to get views, and I can't really do that until I'm up for the day. I don't like the fact that my face so dry, but yeah. Also, I woke up to find out that I hit 100 subscribers. Y'all, I'm so happy. I'm extremely happy about that. Like, I ran and told my mother that I hit 100 subscribers. I would think that anybody who started out watching YouTube would be happy about that. It's just good to know that my laptop's so rude. It's just good to know that 100 people are interested in my channel. Now, the views may not show that, but yeah, that is a huge milestone. I haven't even been making videos for a full year yet. It'll make a year in a month, I think. Yeah, a year and a month. So as promised, I will be doing a giveaway. I just have to get the stuff ready of what I will be giving away. By the time this vlog goes up, I would have already reached my 100, and a whole week of videos would have been up already. So I just decided to get on here and, you know, talk about that for right now. I think that's all for now. I'm just waiting on my laptop to upload to turn on, but it want to take its slow time. But yeah, I'm making good progress. I'm making good progress. I need some lotion. Ooh, what happened to my voice there? I need some lotion though. I'm kind of starting to sound like y'all watch. Do y'all watch like gaming videos? Because I do. But I'm kind of starting to sound like Harvey Dent from Batman: The Enemy Within Telltale series. When he became Two-Face. He had that little raspy voice, but yeah, that's it for right now. I have to go get me a shirt, a button-down shirt, because I do have an interview tomorrow with a different job. It's for the government, so I have to look, you know, presentable. But I think that's all for now. All that I have for now. I will see you in whenever I see you. I've seen tons of videos where it was crying. Y'all like my butt? Y'all know this on my hair. So today is Thursday, which is my Friday. Right now I am editing a video that I did film today. It was just a complete mess. You will see that video before y'all see this video. So what did I do today? Of course I worked, and then I had an interview, took the assessment, passed the assessment, and then I have to do the second part of the interview tomorrow at 2:30. So hopefully I get that done and I passed that. I'm running off of, let's see, about 2 hours of sleep. 2 hours of sleep only. I still need to do these toes. Well, I just gotta paint them now. Yeah, they just gotta get painted, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm sleepy. I just thought I'd come on here and update you all
of what I did today. I'm not sure when the last time I actually came on the camera and said something. But yeah, I plan on finish editing this video so it could be up Friday. For Face Mask Friday. But other than that, my body's getting ready to shut down because I'm so sleepy and tired. Only 2 hours of sleep and it's not even cutting it right now. I think that's all I have for right now. I'm just really tired. My brother does come into town Saturday. He's on spring break. So you may see him in my vlogs. Well, in next week's vlog. He told me he wanted to do the Buffalo Wild Wing challenge, and I hope he don't think about to do that with him again because it's not gonna happen. I was a champ that first time. That second time, I don't think I'm gonna do it. But that's all I have for right now. My voice again sounded like freaking Harvey Dent's, but that's just. Ooh, that was 2 times that I've yawned within the past 2 minutes and 40 seconds. But yeah. Oh. Voice sound not Harvey Dent again because it's just tired and sleepy and all that stuff. But after I edit this vlog, I'm probably going to eat some food. And then lay down and probably go to sleep. Get this video up on the channel to be released tomorrow. But that's it. I hope y'all week going well so far. I don't have anything else to say. I'm trying to think of any more things to talk about, but I don't have anything else to say. With that being said, see you whenever.
Yeah, I know. It hurts. It makes you cry. I've seen tons of videos where